your dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
So after doing the first review on this room, I wanted to do another one. That's when you come in. You come in, this view, when you straight look out, is the ocean. It is so nice. So I'm gonna do some pros and cons coming out here. So one of the pro things is that it has a mirror right here. It has a separate water closet, which we also call a toilet, right? This is also nice. The shower head is a rain shower head, but one thing that I don't like about this shower is that I'm short, so it's kind of angled. If you guys can see, it's angled towards the door, which means water comes out on the floor a lot. I tried to hit it, but I'm not tall, but I guess I have to call maintenance to come in and fix that. Now, it has one sink, so I'm not a fan of that. Usually when we stay at places, they have dual sinks. It does have some outlets over here, which I'll tell you in a minute. That's good, but they definitely need more. So these are drawers. They have 3 drawers here. This is the refrigerator. Now, we're supposed to get premium drinks, and snacks, but they need to come and fill it up. But we've been drinking more water. I don't think any of us have drunk any soda or anything, or more of a water type of thing. We wanted to do a happy birthday, you guys, and so funny, they did happy birthday. If you see, it's spelled wrong, like it's backwards, and you would think, oh, just flip it over. No. So really funny about that, the happy birthday sign, and that was the only place that it would go. All right, so the temperature here, you guys, it is in Celsius. I think that's what we found out. It's in Celsius, but the door's open, so when the door's open, you can't turn on the AC, and it turns off automatically. All right, so other con that we found out after living in the room, right, they only have one outlet over here, like a US outlet, which is right there, and my friend has a CPAP machine, so we had to configure who's plugging in what, where. Now, the alarm clock did have a C and a USB drive, and there was a USB up here, but they also have these. I think these are European plugs, and they do have the lights can be controlled from right here. So that's a plus with the lights, but the plug-ins, they definitely need more than just having that one down there. Then the other one is all the way over here, and again, we have to alternate what we're plugging in. We both have Apple Watches, we both have Apple phones, but we have different chargers and yada yada yada, right? Now let's talk about this view. When you come out here, now these doors are really hard to open. I literally have to push the back right here to open it. Like, that's the easiest way to open a door. Con, this doesn't work. It's like not lined up right, but this view is amazing. So we'll step out on the balcony. We are in Casa 2, all right, Casa 2. We're in room 2229. So over there is the beach area. Over there, with this hut, that's Coco Conmar. That's the enclave area. And only thing I don't like about that, that's the upgrade. We did get an upgrade because we have these green wristbands, as you see here. This is the upgrade. However, the enclave pool doesn't have an ocean view. I find that very unappealing. And then over here is the splash pad over here. I have to go over there. That's like the whole kid and family area. So I got to take a trip down there. I haven't been down there just yet, but definitely want to go down there. So just want to do an updated tour. This is what the room looks like as we're living in it. Overall, it's a decent room.